What's up everyone? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Linux and the brilliant mind behind it. So grab your favorite beverage and get ready for an exhilarating journey into the story of Linus Torvalds and the creation of Linux. Let's rewind to 1991. Picture this, a young Finnish computer science student named Linus Torvalds, bored with his university's operating system. He wasn't thrilled with the options available. He wanted something that was both powerful and flexible. So he decided to build his own operating system. Linus was studying at the University of Helsinki, and his project started as a hobby. He named it Freaks, a mix of free, freak, and X for Unix. But let's be honest, Freaks didn't have that catchy ring to it. So he rebranded it as Linux in 1991. Much better. What made Linux revolutionary? It was open source. Linus released Linux under the GNU General Public License, meaning anyone could inspect, modify, and distribute the code. This was a game changer. It wasn't just a new OS, it was a new way of thinking about software development. Linus's decision to make Linux open source created a global collaboration. Developers from all over the world jumped in to contribute. They didn't need to ask for permission. They just forked the code, made their changes, and sent them back. This decentralized model allowed Linux to evolve rapidly and adapt to a wide range of needs. Fast forward a few years, and Linux had become a powerhouse. It wasn't just a hobby project anymore. It was being used in server rooms, academic institutions, and even the early versions of Android. Different communities started creating their own versions or distributions of Linux. We've got Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, and many more, each with its own flavor and purpose. Today, Linux is everywhere. It's the backbone of the majority of web servers, it powers supercomputers, and it's the foundation of Android, which is in billions of smartphones worldwide. It's also used in everything from your car's infotainment system to home appliances. It's pretty safe to say Linux is one of the most influential software projects of all time. But what's Linus Torvalds like? He's known for his no-nonsense approach. He's candid and straightforward, sometimes to the point of being blunt. But it's this honesty that has shaped the development process of Linux, keeping it efficient and focused on real-world needs. Linus's leadership style is unique. He's hands-on with code reviews and doesn't shy away from calling out mistakes or suggesting improvements. His passion for coding and his commitment to quality have kept Linux at the forefront of technology. The beauty of Linux lies in its community. It's a global project, with contributions from individuals and organizations alike. Linus may have started it all, but it's the collective effort of countless developers that has turned Linux into the powerhouse it is today. So, next time you boot up a Linux machine or encounter Linux in your tech environment, remember, what started as a college project by a Finnish student has grown into a global phenomenon. Linus Torvalds' vision and the open-source ethos behind Linux have forever changed the software landscape. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mind behind Linux, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. And hey, drop a comment below on what tech topic you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and keep innovating.